let's start again. There we're gonna take a look at this very beautiful 2012 Bentley Continental Flying Spur. It has 41,000 miles. It's in this beautiful brown color. It's here to get an oil change, cabin filters changed, and a couple of things checked out. I'm a big fan of these cars. Overall, I love large, big engined cars, and this is definitely one of them. It's extremely long. It has a huge 12-cylinder engine. It has a very high top speed. It pretty much has it all as far as luxury is concerned and status. Looks, for the time at least, when this car came out in 05, 06, it was pretty much top of a line, almost to the level of Phantom, but you know, a little bit more sporty. Let's look at the inside. This one has this very pretty brown interior, light brown and dark brown with leather everywhere pretty much, and very nice looking wood trim. Leather goes pretty much around everywhere you can touch is either leather or wood. Even like this little vents are metal. These vents are metal, at least metal trimmed. Very pretty interior. Definitely the place to be in these is the rear seats. Very large area. I love the headliner in these. It's first of all, this one has a sunroof, and it also is, everything is leather trimmed. The rear is sagging a little bit, but overall it's looking very clean. You can see there's some vents on the sides for the rear passengers. There are also some seat controls in the back for heated and adjustable seats as well as massaged. And there are some also climate control settings right there. It does have soft closed doors, which sometimes work. I guess sometimes they don't, but it is a older car. I'm gonna take a look at under the hood, and then we're gonna raise it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Here's the look under the hood. The 6-liter W12, 553 horsepower. This one is not the speed version. The speed has 600 horsepower, but still has plenty of power and amazing sound, and the smoothness is just beyond description. It's super smooth. These are not particularly easy to work on. Some stuff can be done from here with very limited access. However, for a lot of different jobs, this engine is to be dropped, which would require 2-post lift and a lot of work and a lot of time. Now we're gonna lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Let's take a look at the bottom of this Bentley. Let's go start from the back. Very nice brown color. You see the dual oval exhaust tips. These covers on the bottom feel very sturdy. Usually some of the cars, they're kind of flimsy and very plasticky. This one's actually feel very solid. See rear lower control arms. They're pretty massive. Set as well. See the diff with cooling fins on it. Really big drive shaft, very thick exhausts. as you would imagine on a 12-cylinder 6-liter twin turbo car. Everything looks very clean, although this car is a little bit older and doesn't have that lower over mileage, 40,000 miles, 41,000. For this car, it's kind of a higher miles. It does need some new pads and rotors. I'm gonna let the owner know. You can see the 6-speed transmission. For oil service on this cars, this cover needs to be removed, and then the drain and filter are accessed from the bottom. Fairly accessible, not very difficult to remove. As long as you have good room, you should be able to access it. Thank you for watching. There are more videos to come. Please comment, like, and subscribe.